How to get classic Microsoft Paint back on Windows 11. If you're someone who's used to the old version of Microsoft Paint and find it easier to use, then this video is for you. First, open your web browser. Then type this URL win7games.com/#mspaint. Then tap enter. Scroll down and click on download paint. After download complete, open it. Then double click on the installer. Then a setup wizard will appear. Follow the setup wizard and accept the default options to install the classic MS Paint. After completing installation, you can now access the classic version of Paint. Now open it from the Start menu. Click on Paint Classic. And that's it. You now have classic Microsoft Paint back on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial review channel for more videos.